Hey guys, it's Dawn here. Welcome to the Creative Biz Hub platform. So, this platform has been designed for small service business owners who may have to handle more than one client at a time. I wanted to just share with you what I'm doing right now because I'm setting up a hair and beauty pro who specifically does weddings. And I'm just going to walk you through some of the features that we are setting up for her and some of the key features. I'm going to try and keep these videos to literally 2 or 3 minutes and just give you an overview of what you can do with the platform. So let's just start with the very basics, which is what you do when you first log into your account. It's going to ask you to install our mobile app. The idea of the mobile app is you can access all of your contacts, you can text through the app, you can email through the app, and you can DM using Facebook and Instagram through the app. So if you're out on the road, if you are busy at a wedding and you can't and you've had a message from or an email from a client, you can actually access it from there, and you can shoot your message back to the client, making it really smart and efficient for you. The next thing it's going to say is it's going to ask you to connect Google My Business, or what's called now Google Business Page. I think it's called GBP. They've just changed it recently, but it's the Google Maps where you're able to connect everything up for your business on Google AdWords and Google Analytics, and also, really importantly, your Google Business reviews. So you just need to input. It'll ask you for you to connect Google. It'll also ask you to connect Facebook or Meta. It then can access your Messenger inbox. It can access your Instagram inbox. You can connect up Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Google, and then possibly Pinterest is coming soon as well. Just waiting for the developers to talk about that. But you can connect basically business pages, business or individual profiles, and also your groups. So if people make comments, you can actually comment back using the app if you want to. But that connects everything up there so that you can do posting too. You can generate leads from your web chat widget. So it allows you to set up, it's a little bit of code that we put into your website that allows you to have that pop up that comes up at the bottom of the screen that says, hey, this is Dawn. How can I help you today? Right? That's all there. Again, you can manage that through the app if you're out and about. They don't need to have their browser open all the time because actually it converts it to a text message so you can text the client back and forth. Connects to Stripe. So if you're selling products, you can do that. You can sell products online. You can sell memberships, courses. You can house those memberships and courses. And so you can ask for payment through Stripe and PayPal as well. I'm a big fan of Stripe though because the fees are a bit better. Now, I'll go to WordPress in just a sec. The other thing it does is that you can actually add on team members into your account. So it allows you to add as many team members as you need to into your account and connect up their calendars and things like that. So that you can share calendars, you can access, look at their Google calendars so you can see when they're booked and when they're not booked. If you have a team, or if you contract out a team, which my hair and beauty client that I'm doing this for, she contracts out some other hair and makeup artists sometimes to help her with big bookings. So she'd be able to connect them up so that they can get access. Now, the last thing I just want to say is that we have a built-in web platform. So this has got web hosting included in this. You'll find it here. I'll do that in another video. But what you can do if you don't want to use our platform to host your website, you can actually just have a WordPress website and you can use our platform. We offer hosting. It is an additional charge. It's around $14.99 US a month. So but you can connect that up if you want. It's completely optional. You don't have to do it.